Wall Street giant just made a move that could change how money moves forever. And they did it so quietly, most people missed it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Franklin Templeton switched from one blockchain to another and what it signals about the future of your bank account. Franklin Templeton, they manage over $1 trillion, just migrated their tokenized money market fund from Tellar to Canton network. This isn't some tech experiment. This is real money, institutional money, moving on blockchain rails. Indeed, the timing? It lines up perfectly with something much bigger happening in global banking right now. Here's what's actually going on. Franklin Templeton launched their tokenized fund back in 2021 on Tellar. Tellar uses XLM. And here's something most people don't know. XLM is an IO20022 compliant token. Hold that thought, because that detail matters more than you think. Now, they're moving to Canton network. Canton is built by Digital Set, the company that powers major financial institutions. Indeed, there's one piece almost everyone reporting this story missed. I'll come back to in a moment, because it reveals where this is really headed. First, let's break down what IO20022 actually is, because understanding this is like having insider knowledge about the next decade of finance. IO20022 is a global messaging standard for banks. Think of it like this. Right now, banks speak different languages when they send money to each other. It's slow, expensive, and full of errors. IO20022 creates one universal language. Every bank, every payment, every transaction, all speaking the same language. This means faster payments, lower fees, and way more transparency. The global banking system is switching to this standard right now. Full adoption deadline, 2025. We're talking about the entire global financial system upgrading its operating system. Indeed, here's where it gets interesting for regular people like us. Certain cryptocurrencies are built to be compatible with IO20022 from day one. XLM is one of them. O is XR, XDC, LGO, and a handful of others. These aren't just random coins. They're designed to plug directly into the new banking infrastructure. Now back to Franklin Templeton. Why move from Tellar to Canton? Canton offers something called privacy and permissioning. It lets institutions control exactly who sees what data while still using blockchain technology. Banks love this because they get blockchain efficiency without exposing sensitive information. But here's the detail everyone missed. Franklin Templeton isn't abandoning tokenization. They're upgrading to institutional-grade infrastructure. This signals that tokenization is moving from experiment to standard practice. When a trillion-dollar asset manager makes this move, they're not guessing. They're positioning for what they know is coming. Think about what tokenization actually means. Right now, if you own a share of a money market fund, there's paperwork, middlemen, settlement times. With tokenization, that share exists as a digital token. You can transfer it instantly. You can use it as collateral immediately. You can trade it 24/7. It's like turning traditional finance into a video game. Instant, always on, no friction. Indeed, this connects directly to IO20022. As banks adopt this new messaging standard, they need digital assets that speak the same language. That's why tokens like XLM matter. They're not just cryptocurrencies. They're bridges between the old financial system and the new one. For everyday people, this means cheaper international transfers, faster payments, and eventually, the ability to hold tokenized versions of stocks, bonds, and funds directly in your digital wallet. No broker, no bank account minimums, no waiting for settlement. If you're interested in trading tokens like XLM or other IO20022 assets, you can use BitUnix through the link in the description to get started. Here's what to watch next. Franklin Templeton has hinted at expanding their tokenization efforts. Watch for more traditional funds announcing tokenized versions. Watch for banks announcing IO20022 integration dates. ND watch XLM's price action. If more institutions follow Franklin Templeton's lead and need interoperable blockchain rails, demand for these infrastructure tokens could spike. The move from Tellar to Canton isn't the end of anything. It's the beginning of institutional money flowing on a blockchain permanently. Indeed, that shift is happening right now, whether the headlines are covering it or not. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Ways to your own research before investing. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.